friends, grab that facial package and the 6 samples inside. You're also going to need water, towel, and a pair of scissors. I'll be using full size for our demo today. Let's get started. All right, you're going to grab that cleanser and press out about an almond size amount into your finger pads, dry, and you will apply it to your face dry. I know that sounds crazy. We're just going to try to keep your desk clean or your bathroom or wherever you're doing this. So apply it to your face dry, then get your hands wet. I know, we're using a bowl. It's going to make a mess. Get your hands wet and massage it into your skin. What makes this foaming cleanser so yummy is that it has hyaluronic acid in it, meaning it's going to bind and hold water to your skin, making it look dewier, healthier, plumper, and just more hydrated. And you can probably tell by the delicious foaming texture. Oh, and girlfriend, don't use your hands. You want to use something like this. This is our Skin Vigorate brush. A face brush is like an electric toothbrush for your face. If you brush your teeth with your finger, yeah, you still feel fuzzy after. It's kind of the same with your face. Get yourself a good brush. It cleans 85% more dirt and makeup and helps your other products just work better. All right, and rinse and dry off. I know, it's awkward, it's gonna splash, it's gonna make a mess. It's a commitment. Let's just go for it. Yes, I've been holding out on you, girl. This is our oil-free eye makeup remover. Friend, do not put cleanser on your eyes. It is too harsh and cleanser does not feel good if it gets in the eyeball. So we just hold on the oil-free eye makeup remover for like 10 to 15 seconds and it literally dissolves the makeup underneath, whether it's waterproof or not. And then no tugging, no pulling, gently swipe. And it's great if you're wearing falsies like I am. These are Flutter Lash Habits, #no ad. They last 7 days. They're amazing. Can we just look at this face for a second? The look she just gave me. All right, eye makeup remover. It's a must. Up next, Microdermabrasion Refine. All right, you're going to take an almond size amount of this microdermabrasion and put it into your dry finger pad, but you're also going to mix it with about an almond size of cleanser to dilute how abrasive this exfoliation is going to be. We're going to do a lot of exfoliants today, and we just want to make each one a little bit more subtle. So let's mix this with the cleanser, apply it to your face dry, get your fingers wet, and massage it into your skin. Get ready to literally slush off dead skin, acne scars, blackheads, all the yuckies. So if you've never done something like this before, go gentle. Add more water as needed, or if it's still too rough for you, add some more cleanser to it. Otherwise, I tend to go a little crazy in my jawline, my hairline, and my nose crack. Wherever you tend to get the most oily, most breakouts, most buildup of dead skin, slush it off. You want to do this about once or twice a week, not every day. So the W's, weekends and Wednesdays. And I love to do it in the shower because it's a lot easier to get off than trying to do it like this with a towel and a bowl of water. I will say these aluminum oxide crystals are perfectly sphere, so they polish the skin and they don't tear at the pore, so it does preserve the skin and the elasticity in your skin. Totally normal if you feel a little raw and a little tingly. Okay, it is time to party on with this charcoal mask. This is a rosemary mint activated charcoal mask. Yes, we are about to face paint. You are going to pour out as much as needed into your fingertips to apply to your whole face. Avoid areas that tend to be dry and get the areas that break out the most or are the most oily. So it's going to feel messy. Just go for it. We can wash our hands after. So the rosemary and mint. The rosemary is an anti-inflammatory, so it's going to reduce swelling, puffiness, and redness. The mint is an astringent, so it's going to help tone the skin. And then the activated charcoal is going to pull out bacteria and grease. Here's a few before and after photos to show what does it look like after it dries. Dark gray where there's excess oil and grease, white where there's active breakouts. You may be surprised what comes out. I do love my face brush. It applies it very evenly. Okay, this is a perfect time to take a selfie and send it to your consultant, me or whoever sent this to you, for a free gift. So that's how we know you watched this and you actually did the facial and not looked at me like I'm crazy. So send a selfie, get a gift. And for the sake of being on a YouTube video and doing this together, we're gonna fan. Normally you can forget about this and go cook dinner or watch a movie. But for now, we're just gonna keep fanning and watch my kids put on this charcoal mask.
Mom, I don't have any pimples. Did you hear that? I want it not like you. What are you doing? Do we eat this? What? You choke on and you throw up. You get sick on this.
Yeah, we don't eat it.
Mommy, I want to do it.
All done. And we're back. You're probably still drying, but check out your face in a mirror. Like, get awkwardly close up in that mirror. All right, the dark spots is going to be excess grease. The white, like that one on my chin and on my cheek. The white is bacteria pulling right out of a zit. Remember, this is a great time for a selfie, for a free gift, and your face is probably awkwardly tight right now. So let's go ahead and take it off. Take your washcloth, soak it in the bowl of water, like real wet, and then hold it to your face for a full 15 seconds. Breathe, relax, let the water re-wet the charcoal to make this a flawless, easy removal of the charcoal mask. And just Swiffer wipe it off your face. Check all the nooks and crannies. It tends to get left behind on the nose cracks right here and the 5 o'clock shadow right down there. All right, we're gonna get a jump start on our hydration before we do our final exfoliation. And this is the Hydrogel Eye Patches. They're phenomenal and unique and weird and so cool. It is pretty much water suspended in a gel matrix. If you ever touched a dolphin or a stingray, well, there you go. And you will let these bad boys sit there for like 10-20 minutes, and that much water being forced into the skin for that long is going to cause extreme hydration. It is going to bring down any puffiness, reduce any fine lines and discoloration, and just make the underneath of your eyes look so smooth and beautiful. And for our last exfoliant of our facial this evening is the facial peel. This is a glycolic acid chemical peel. Don't be afraid of the name, it's freaking delicious. It is also a water-soluble alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, and it is one of the most well-known, widely used alpha hydroxy acids in the skincare industry. Ignore that I'm not wearing my eye patches right now, but keep yours on and do your peel around the patches. Use as much as needed to apply a thin layer all over your face, kind of like you're applying the charcoal mask again. Just do it evenly all over, avoiding the lips and around the eyes. I will comfort you and say that the dose in this of glycolic acid is much less, so you're not going to get that vibrant red discoloration after. You're not going to have the intense peeling for a week. No downtime. 50% of women feel a tingling sensation probably along their cheekbone or around their mouth or wherever they tend to break out the most, but that's about it. This is safe for twice a week, so we say the W's, weekends and Wednesdays. Okay, my bad. Technically, we want this mask to at least sit on for 5 minutes. So this is a great time to pause, go make a snack, grab a cup of tea, and come on back. Normally, this mask is great for 20 minutes. After that, it oxidizes, so you're not going to accidentally overdo it, but at least 5 minutes today just to get a little bit of this exfoliant. And then come back, push play, and wash it off with me. Dip your towel in the water and just swipe it away. Let's nourish that sweet exfoliated soft skin of yours with our Nourishing Oil. This is an all-natural blend of olive oil, sesame oil, and sweet almond oil. Oily girls, don't fret. We got you. It's not going to be super oily. It is not grease on grease. And dry girls, this will give you just what you need. Fun fact, sesame oil is an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and an antibacterial. Really great for helping with acne-prone skin and any leftover acne scars. Whereas sweet almond oil really makes your skin appear much more radiant and healthy, and it's really great at soothing any skin conditions like eczema, dermatitis. But now here's the weird one. Olive oil? Olive oil is a great hydrator. So this oil is really great underneath of a moisturizer during winter if you just need a little bit extra, or if you're just having a hard time finding a good moisturizer. You can also put this on your cuticles and your hair. You can eat it. It's all natural. And my goodness, doesn't that vanilla bean smell so good? All right, it is the last piece of our nourishing side of our Hydra pampering session, and this is the Moisture Renewing Gel Mask. About an almond size amount, really as much as needed to cover your entire face with a nice thin layer. This is not a moisturizer. It is not going to absorb like a moisturizer. It is a gel moisturizing mask. So it has a gelish, velvety texture. I don't know how to describe it. It just feels so yummy. This mask has vitamin E, B3 vitamins, and a ton of fruit extracts. It's going to leave your skin feeling very conditioned and smooth, and you can wash this off after 10 minutes, or hopefully you're doing this at nighttime, and I just say go to bed. Put this on and just go to bed tonight, and you can wash it off in the morning. Oh yes, yes, yes. And now is a perfect time to go and take off your eye patches, rub in whatever's left behind, and breathe. All right, girlfriend, and then we are done. Let this dry 15 to 20 minutes, and then with the back of your hand, you are going to be blown away by how smooth and radiant your skin looks. Literally, you're going to be touching it all day. Just don't. Well, enjoy feeling like a fresh flower for the rest of the day. It was so great getting to pamper you, and I hope you send me a selfie, because we're finished.